Have you ever felt like you're just drowning in a sea of company files, desperately trying to find that one single piece of information? Yeah, we've all been there. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on Amazon Kendra, a tool that's designed to be your lifeline in all that information chaos.
You know the feeling, right? You know the file exists. You swear you saw it somewhere in a chat or maybe an email, and you're frantically typing into a dozen different search bars, "Where is that Q3 report?" It's that universal moment of pure frustration.
So why is this so incredibly hard? Well, because your company's data isn't some neat, organized library. No, it's more like a giant, sprawling, chaotic maze. You've got information scattered everywhere. Emails, cloud drives, databases, chat apps. Finding what you need feels less like a simple search and more like an impossible quest.
So how do we find our way out of this maze? Well, here's the plan. First, we'll dig into the challenge itself. Then, we'll meet our guide, Amazon Kendra. We'll see how it connects all that scattered knowledge, how it gives you real answers, not just links, and how it actually gets smarter over time.
This right here is the tough reality of what we call enterprise search today. Honestly, it's a system built for a totally different era, and it's just buckling under the weight of all our modern data. Critical information gets stuck in silos, key insights are buried deep, and our productivity just grinds to a halt. This isn't just a little annoying, it's a massive roadblock to getting things done.
But what if you had a guide for that maze? Someone who just knew the way? Well, it's time to meet Amazon Kendra. And let me tell you, this is not just another search bar. It's an intelligent service that's purpose-built to bring some serious order to all that chaos.
So what is it really? At its heart, Amazon Kendra is an intelligent search service, and it's all powered by machine learning. But you gotta forget about simple keyword matching. Think of it more like a reasoning engine, something that actually understands the context and the meaning behind all of your company's collective knowledge.
The absolute heart of Amazon Kendra is something called its index. The best way to think about it is like a centralized digital brain for your entire organization. It securely pulls in and organizes information from all those different places, creating one single searchable source of truth.
And getting it set up is surprisingly straightforward. It's really just 3 steps. 1, you create an index, that's the brain. 2, you add your data sources, that's the knowledge. And 3, you just ask a question, in plain English, to get a direct answer. It's really that simple.
Okay, let's zoom in on that second step because this is where the magic really starts to happen. How does Kendra actually connect to all of your scattered knowledge and pull it into that one central brain? Let's take a look at how it ingests data.
Now here's one of the best parts. Kendra doesn't force you to do some massive, painful data migration project. Nope. It connects directly to the tools and the systems your team is already using every single day. That means less disruption and way faster adoption.
And it does this with a whole library of pre-built connectors for all the big enterprise tools you can think of. So, whether your data lives in cloud storage like S3, collaboration hubs like SharePoint, chat platforms like Slack, or your CRM like Salesforce, Kendra can seamlessly tap right into it. But it's not just about connecting to the source. Kendra can actually understand the content inside those files. It's built to read a huge variety of document formats, so it doesn't matter if your knowledge is locked away in PDFs or on HTML pages or in Word docs and PowerPoint decks. Kendra can pull out the important stuff and make it all searchable.
Okay, so we've created the index, that's our brain, and we've fed it knowledge from all our different sources. Now for the payoff. Let's see what this intelligent search actually looks like when you use it.
We all know this screen, don't we? It's the classic search experience. You type in a few keywords, and what do you get? A giant list of blue links. Now it's your job to click through every single one, open each document, and hunt for the answer yourself. It's tedious, and half the time, you come up empty. But now, look at this. This is the Kendra difference. Forget the endless list of links. You ask a question, and you get a direct answer, pulled from the most relevant document and presented right there at the top. This isn't just searching anymore. This is finding answers.
So how on earth does it do that? Well, Kendra goes way beyond just matching keywords. It uses some really sophisticated natural language models to figure out the intent and the context of your question. You can ask it something conversational, like, when is the Q3 marketing budget due? And Kendra actually understands what you're looking for.
And it gives you these really powerful tools to narrow things down. You know how when you're shopping online you can filter by size or color? Kendra has that for your company's data. It's called faceted search.
and it lets you filter by things like author or date or department, so you can zero in on exactly what you need in seconds.
I mean, this is already a huge leap forward, right? But a truly intelligent system doesn't just work out of the box. It actually learns and gets better. So let's look at how you can use tuning and analytics to make your search experience even smarter over time.
This really just sums up the massive shift we're talking about. We're moving away from that frustrating, inefficient process of keyword guessing and endless scrolling, and into a world where you can ask natural questions and get direct, refined answers. This isn't just about finding documents faster. It's about unlocking the collective brainpower of your entire organization.
Kendra also gives you these advanced controls to fine-tune everything. With relevance tuning, you can basically tell Kendra, hey, when a developer's searching, results from the engineering wiki are more important. With search analytics, you can actually see what people are looking for and what they're not finding, which helps you spot knowledge gaps. And you can even teach Kendra your company's own unique lingo with custom synonyms.
So let's just end with this thought. Imagine all the hours saved, all the hidden insights suddenly uncovered, all the new innovation that could be unlocked. Just ask yourself, what could your team, your entire organization build if every single answer was just one simple question away?